You know, that isometric. Yeah.
Meet Shannon. Shannon loves Jeeps. The only thing that Shannon likes better than Jeeps is Jeep stuff. Introducing the JoyTutus Grab Handles. They're compatible with the 1997 to 2020 Jeep Wrangler and a variety of other Jeep models. They're premium quality, made of heavy-duty non-slip nylon, not only decorating your car but also add support when you enter or exit your Wrangler, and they're able to withstand a pull weight of up to 320 pounds. Let the children and ladies get in and out of the Wrangler more conveniently and protect the safety of passengers while driving on a bumpy road. The JoyTutus Grab Handles are super easy to install. There's no need to cut the padding. They just take a few minutes to put on. The 3-hook and loop tape wrap around and fasten over universal 2-inch to 4-inch padded or unpadded sports roll bars, in most cases without even removing the roof. Shannon put these on her Unlimited in about 3 minutes or so. They come off even quicker. Just release the 3 hooks and tapes again, and the straps slide right out of the keepers and it comes right off. We found them very useful to get in and out of the Jeep and to hang on to when going over bumps and all. The handles have adjustable straps and they feature non-slip grip handles, so they will always be in place whenever you need them. And they come in 4 different colors: orange, black, red, and green. JoyTutus offers a limited lifetime warranty on products damaged during shipping or that have a manufacturer's defect, so you can buy with confidence.
We really like these JoyTutus grab handles. They're super good for getting in and out of the Jeep and for off-roading, having something to hold on to. We are always looking for cool, useful, new Jeep accessories.
JoyTutus Grab Handles are a very inexpensive and cool way to accessorize your Jeep. We found them very handy. They came in a reasonable amount of time as far as the shipping was concerned. We'll post a link down below for you to purchase your own JoyTutus Grab Handles. Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you soon at the Full Octane Garage. Meet Shannon. Meet Shannon.
Wow. How cute.
All right, there's my outtake. Shannon loves Jeeps. All right, don't do that. Shannon loves Jeeps. All right, a little less face stuff there. Shannon loves Jeeps. Shannon loves Jeeps. Shannon loves Jeeps. The only thing that Shannon likes better than Jeeps is Jeep stuff.